11 life-saving gadgets that you must have. As we use technology more frequently, it makes our lives easier. However, despite focusing on technological innovations like smartphones and tablets in situations ranging from minor emergencies like power outages and maintenance related to difficult, life-threatening conditions, we need more life-saving gadgets to rescue us. But what instruments come in handy in these situations? We have you covered, from fireball extinguishers to LifeVac choking rescue devices. In today's video, we will show you 11 cutting-edge life-saving technologies that can improve your crucial day. Keep watching to learn about the most exciting devices. Number 1. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. You can drink directly from puddles or streams with the help of this incredibly clever straw without facing any of the usual risks. The winner of the Time Magazine Invention of the Year award uses a microbiological purifying filter and is exceedingly affordable, making it available to everyone who wants it, not just ardent campers. This could be useful if you ever find yourself on a hike in an actual survival situation or provide some rapid dehydration when you are out for a regular walk. Number 2. SABRE Red Pepper Spray Keychain. You would be safe using the SABRE Red Pepper Spray. It's the most potent pepper spray on the market, with just one ingredient, SABRE Red, which contains the UV marking red dye I8, identifying subjects. It's the most popular item that law enforcement agencies worldwide carry. SABRE Red, a product that has UV marking dye to help with subject identification with just a touch, is one of the most popular tools used by police all over the world. With a 10-foot range, the intuitive grip design helps you maintain eye contact with the target while enabling better eye aim and proper hand alignment. With 25 bursts of defense, 5 times more than other brands, the pepper spray keychain with immediate release provides the highest level of security in a solid stream to lessen wind blowback. Finally, it makes it simple to attach your pepper spray to a keychain for maximum portability and gives you quick access. Number 3. Portable Electric Generator. The benefits of a portable generator are simple to remember in an energy emergency. You'll realize the value of an electric generator when your car battery dies and you're stranded on a deserted road or with just one other driver passing by every half hour. It's a living nightmare. Your portable heater may need some power to keep the space warm and prevent you from getting cold. Or you may bring your smart TV along for the family's weekend getaway. Whatever the case, there are inarguably a variety of applications for this generator. Number 4. Home Fire Extinguisher Kit. A fire extinguisher in their home is a good idea, especially in the kitchen. The majority of jurisdictions have laws requiring the availability of a fire extinguisher in an emergency. Unlike conventional ones that need to be sprayed while you stand close to the flame, this home fire extinguisher is simple. Simply throwing this on the fire will put it out as if by magic. To stop the combustion process and put out the fire, the chemicals in the ball will displace the oxygen in the resin. Just make sure you throw it so that it breaks. Number 5. Fireball Extinguisher. Fireball extinguishers are an essential product because just in the United States, home fires claim the lives of nearly 4,000 people annually. They are made of polystyrene, and on the outside, a small amount of dry fire extinguishing powder and a mild explosive inside. With the 2 advantages over the standard fire extinguisher, the idea is that as soon as one of these comes into contact with fire, the explosives will be activated and will blast the substance in a radius of up to 60 square feet around it. This way, you can put out fires without going near them. Additionally, because of how these are constructed, you can store them in high-risk areas, and if a fire does start there, they'll go off automatically, even with the entire family asleep. Sadly, if the fire is more significant than 60 feet, this will only partially do. If that's the case, your only option is to leave the area as soon as possible. The next set of gadgets is super impressive, but before we go, if you still need to do this, click that subscribe and like button, and enjoy the excellent content. Alright, moving on to number 6, the Sawstop Table Saw. The job with the highest fertility rate in the United States is logging, because anything can cut through a tree that can also cut through a human. However, a new type of saw called the Sawstop is trying to change that. It has a 3-volt current running through it, and at all times the computer monitoring it. The saw stops as soon as a finger or an arm makes contact with the blade. Horror movie directors wouldn't like this one because it causes an explosive reaction that pulls the saw away so quickly you would struggle to hurt yourself even if you tried. Number 7. The ETI Roller System. If worse comes to worse and you are forced to crash, ETI's next generation barrier system is the best place to do so. Thousands of rollers made of shock-absorbing material replace the typical flat metal road barriers. Because they can roll, they can also divert most of the impact from the collision forward into the momentum. The icing on the cake is that the reflective material rings also encircle each roller. It therefore does more than keep you alive in a collision, it also makes the sides of the road extremely visible in the hopes that you won't. These barriers are fully operational in Southern Korea and in other countries like the USA. Number 8. Lifesaber. This lightweight, multifunctional survival tool weighs less than 1 kilogram and has various modules that can be applied in different circumstances. It can, for instance, serve as a UV lamp to quickly purify water. Additionally, it has a plasma module that functions as a lighter for lighting a fire. One of its safety features is a built-in 85 decibel siren that you can use to scare away animals while camping. It also performs a unique function by being able to generate electricity. For instance, spinning up the handle of a dead smartphone for 15 minutes will quickly charge it. You don't have to worry about this device's safety because it costs $79, it's shockproof, dustproof, and water resistant. Number 9. Titan Stormproof Match Kit. When artistry is required for your outdoor adventure, pack the Titan Stormproof Match Kit, which contains the strongest, longest-burning, windproof, and waterproof matches as part of your survival kit. Titan matches burn for up to 25 seconds, while destroying rival matches longer than 4 inches. Even under extreme circumstances, each meaty match could ignite and relight if submerged in water. 12 matches, 3 replaceable strikers, a waterproof case that floats, and a cord that hooks onto a lanyard are all included in the kit. That equals 5 minutes of fire and an immeasurable peace of mind. Number 10. Rescue Me Car Escape Tool. You know that 500 people per year in the U.S. pass away due to getting stuck in a car? One of the simplest ways to stay safe in a car is to use the Rescue Me Escape Tool. Rescue Me is a trademarked and patent-protected car escape tool that you can keep on your keychain to keep you safe while driving. It cuts safety belts and breaks side mirrors. Due to its small size, lightweight, and strength, it is the most reliable and affordable car escape tool. First, hook the blade over the seatbelt and cut it across if it's in the way. Next, press the tool's black head against the corner of the window and break it. This will cause the spring-loaded spike to release and the glass to shatter. This incredible tool is offered in 9 colors with combo packs beginning at $9.95. Number 11. LifeVac. The most frequent cause of accidental death in children and adults over 65 is choking. We recommend the LifeVac Choking Rescue Device Home Kit to address this issue. The LifeVac design includes a special valve that prevents air from leaking through. The valve's unique design prevents air from pushing food or other objects down to free them when they become stuck. There's also a one-way suction created. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Which gadget was your favorite gadget? Are you getting any of these gadgets? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Bye.